Oh yeah.
All right, you guys. 2 fish on. Oh, a rainbow trout! Hi, Frankie. Hi, Daisy. You guys ready to go try and catch some fish today? Yeah? You want to catch some fish? Me too. I hope we catch some stripers. All right, well, howdy, friends. We are out here at Lake Mead again, and we're going to be out trying to catch some fish. We got our boat with us. Beautiful Lake Mead. So anyway, well, welcome. And here we go, guys. Wish us luck. All right. Well, we'll catch you later when we got something going on, or in just a few minutes when we get the boat launched. Woo! Little playing around first. It's too hot still. All right, you guys. 2 fish on.
Whoa.
It's all right, bud. Just come up.
It's all right.
Oh man.
Good. Woo!
Very nice.
Woo! All right, you guys. I don't know who to shoot. Who to aim the camera at.
Mine's not that big though.
It's okay.
Oh, mine's rolling down.
Yeah.
Look at that. Whoa.
I did, you know.
Oh, look at that sucker. Look.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh yeah, let it go down. Let it go down. It's all right. Yeah. Now roll. Okay, there you go. There you go.
Right here.
Oh, so is Chad's.
Oh, is
Oh,
it?
they're both right here.
Here.
Woo! Look, you guys.
Oh, catfish.
Oh.
Oh, my catfish.
All right.
My catfish too.
Oh,
All right.
Son of a.
No, Chad. No.
Hold on a second.
Got catfish, guys. Catfish.
Oh.
Brown one.
We're looking for a
Striper.
striper, but that's okay.
Oh, I need that thing to hook on. Oh, here. Okay, I take it out and get your fish first.
Well, anyway,
Oh.
lots of action. Look at that, guys. Good job, Chad.
Whoa. Jeez.
Wow.
We came all over here for this.
Oh.
Whoa, watch out.
Be
Don't
careful.
step on it. Careful. Stop.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay.
Oh well. Still something.
Hey, it's something.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Get the pliers, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Here.
I got it.
Oh, you got it. All right.
Whoa, right on.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Loser.
Oh, there's some shad out there jumping.
How the heck we catch that catfish all the way out here?
I know. What the heck you guys doing?
I'm like, what the?
I guess we only know how to catch catfish, trout,
I
and
know.
bass.
So far,
Yeah, it's a big mouth, largemouth.
we'll get the stripers here.
Maybe. These guys were like really fighters. They're
Yeah.
pulling down the pole a lot more than like
Okay.
There's
So
one
you're-
down. Okay, watch out. That's a nice size, though.
Yeah.
You gonna
Unbelievable. I thought I wanted
toss
to
them back or keep them?
No, we'll keep them.
Yeah.
That's a good
Good.
Ah!
Ah!
Okay.
Careful.
Hi, hold on.
You need the.
The metal.
Alright.
Catfish.
It's okay. It's okay. That's something.
Down the bottom. Just put the box in there.
No. Don't lift it. Don't lift it. Alright. There you go. Good job, guys. Well, I guess we'll be back when we got more action.
Yeah.
That was some good action right there, though. Awesome. Awesome.
Oh, look at Daisy.
All right, you guys, catch you later. Oh, wait. Daisy. Oh, hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi, Franks. Yeah, Daisy loves to try to get our little fishies that we catch. All right, you guys. Catch you later. See if we can catch it. Whoa. Holy smokes. All right, whoa.
All
right.
Man.
Hopefully I can catch our bait, you guys. Ready? Man, come on.
Oh.
Woo, got it. Oh.
Oh no!
Daisy, get back.
Wait a minute, no, you got baby striper.
A baby striper, yep.
There you
All right, calm down, little one.
Ah, no.
Yep.
Baby striper. Need pliers?
No, it's right here.
Hey, caught striper. Give mom a fist bump.
Yeah, I caught the striper. Woo!
Wait, hold on. Wait. No.
Yeah,
I think they're shad, right? What are they?
something.
You want to use that for bait?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't think it's striper, really.
Oh,
Wait, hold on. They do look like a striper.
it looks like a striper.
Yeah, but anyway, I think you hook
Ow!
up the back, right? Hook the back, and that's for bait. Yeah, I think so. That's all right.
Yeah.
You hook the
Got a
back
little
part.
something. Okay. All right. All right, guys. Chad's gonna try to catch some more bait for us.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, almost. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
hold on.
There you go. Oh. You gotta be fast a little bit. Oh, almost. Almost. You almost had it, bud. They'll come back. Ready? Oh. There you go. Yay! You caught a little one. You gotta grab it. Get it off.
Hey. Ow. Painful. Hold on.
Put the bottle down. Okay.
This is bait.
Just grab it from the. Yeah, there you go. You see, it's right there.
Yeah. Hey, I just want it to stop moving. Please, thank you. Bugs.
Yeah, we should be able to catch a big one. You know?
It's like, I suck at doing this part. I can't.
Come on, bud. There you go. You got it. Keep on. There you go.
Yay!
Yay!
That's a little one.
It's a little one.
That's really
Oh,
small.
and that one too.
All right. Put some more shrimp on there.
Go.
Jeez.
Want to do it again?
Yeah, thanks.
This one. Kissy.
Hey.
What'd you let that one go for? Aw. All right. Anyway, we'll be back, guys, later when we catch some more bigger fish.
Oh yeah.
All right. Take care. Catch you later.
That's enough bait though.
All right, you guys. Something.
Thanks.
Oh yeah. Yep. Fish on,
job,
guys. Fish on.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Right on.
Woo! All right, here we go. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Good job. Woo!
Thanks.
Oh, come on, baby.
Come on, be a striper. Oh. Okay. I'll let
Watch
you go
it
for
be
a minute.
another catfish.
Right on.
Right on.
Boom. I'll give mama
Come
a fist
on
bump.
now. All right, fist bump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Woo!
Daisy won it.
Daisy want it, baby. Come on.
Yeah. You just stay in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
Man. Boy, I'd be so mad.
Good.
Fish.
Oh, come on. What are you? Where are you at, man?
They're here. They're coming.
Come up to mama. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it right here.
Do you?
Oh man, are you kidding me?
Another catfish? Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
What's the light, Daddy?
No, right here. Right here.
Oh.
Oh my lord. Are you kidding me?
Well, at least we're catching something.
That's
Okay, that sounds like a plan. Okay,
Alright.
I'll put this right here for now.
And you still got your got the bait. Woohoo.
Where? Still?
Right here.
Oh.
What the heck happened here though? It's all tangled. All right. Well, all right, you guys.
The boat.
We're catching. Wow! We're catching catfish. But we're catching something.
Catfish kick.
We came for striper, but you know what? We'll take it. We'll take it. All right, you guys. We'll be back when we got more. And Daisy wants a piece of it. All right, you guys. Catch you later. All right, you guys. Well, we're out here fishing at Lake Mead. Again, trying for stripers. And I think I got a fish on. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, I got one. Oh, look it. Look it. It's a baby. Oh, it is a striper though. Oh, splashy. Franks, Daisy, look. Ooh. Oh, look at her chops, huh? Look at her licking. What do you think, huh, babies? Oh, Frank, you don't care. Well. Woo! Oh, I still have my bait. I can use it again. It's just a no.
Believe it.
Nope, it's off.
Oh.
It's a baby's.
Babies.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, we caught some fish. I think it's a striper. Is that a striper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a striper. Look at that. Nice. So you can tell the little stripes going down the side. Right there. Large mouth. Striper. No, just kidding. I don't know. Well, anyway. I keep dropping it. All right, you guys. Guess what? We'll be back and we'll catch you later when we got more. You don't want to keep it? Pan fry it?
No.
It's huge. It's huge. Okay. All right. There you go. Hasta la vista, baby. There we go. All right. Well, all right. We're going to go for some more, guys. Hey, you guys. Well, anyway, it was a beautiful night. We caught 3 catfish, 1 each. And, yeah, we just had a lot of little bites here and there. And as you'll see in there, we caught some little stripers for bait. It was pretty cool. But overall, everything was great. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. And thank you for watching. I appreciate everything. You guys make sure if you haven't, if you're new, like and subscribe. Share it out. Anyway, you guys, until next time, happy fishing. Bye.